Hey guys, what is up? It is Ashley. So today we're going to be doing some more slimes. So we got the Slime DIY Mini Mystery Kit, and we got Karina Garcia Craft City Slime from Walgreens. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is the Mini Mystery Slime DIY Kit. So the first thing I see in here is the slime cup, and this is green. If you guys can't tell, this is green. So we got our pink glitter, green powder, instructions, I think. Stickers, sorry. Nope, this is the stickers. That's really cute. Okay, so then we have our little buddy. Okay, so let's see what it says to do. Combine slime powder, glitter, or confetti into shaker. Fill with water to the line. Okay, so go grab some water really quick, but whatever. We're gonna luckily I have a scissors right here. Put these all in the little tub. Okay. And glitter. We're gonna have a glitter explosion up in here, y'all. I'm curious how this will work because the pinks and greens together. Like, that sounds really weird. I would not pick that combination. Okay, so we are gonna go get some water and we will be back. Okay, so we got our water. God. So the next step is to shake it. Secure the lid, shake quickly for 30 seconds, remove the lid, wait 5 minutes before removing the slime. So much work. Luckily I have a timer in front of me. Help if the lid was on all the way. Okay, so now we're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes and we will be back. My finger's wet. Okay, so while we're waiting for this slime to be done, we are going to open up the Craft City Karina Garcia slime. This is in the, I was gonna say in the shade. This is in the scent. I don't know. Poppy Pink Slime, that's what it's called. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. Karina's pre-made Poppy Pink Slime. Wave 1. Okay. Protective layer. Let's see if I can get this. If I can do this right, it'll look super. Aw, that was disappointing. So this is what the slime looks like. It looks like a jelly slime type. tears really easily, which, I mean, if you do it super slowly, it will work nicely. Okay, so the slime has set, I guess. Put this down here, just in case the glitter gets everywhere. Move that slime over. Like that. Look at this. This is so nice. Except for I have glitter all over my hands right now. Look at that, guys. Look at it. This actually like turned out pretty well. My like shaked slimes don't usually turn out very well, but this is really nice. I am really into this. Like, it's so stretchy, you guys. Okay, so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to become part of the Unicorn fam, turn on post notifications, and as always guys, stay flawless.